Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make vegetable pilaf in which you can add your choice of vegetables. Let's quickly get started with the recipe, but be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Take 1 cup of long grain rice or basmati rice. Soak it in about 2 cups of water for at least 20 minutes. Let me put this aside and let me show you what kind of dry fruits and dry spices I'm going to use in this vegetable pilaf. Here I have 1/4 cup of broken cashews, 1/4 cup of roughly chopped almonds, 1/4 cup of broken pecans. You can also add raisins if you prefer. And for dry spices, I have 2 small bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 5 black peppercorn, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 green cardamom, and 1.5 teaspoon of whole cumin. And since I'm making vegetable pilaf, of course I'm gonna need some veggies. Here I have half cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of sweet green peas, half cup of cauliflower florets, half cup of broccoli florets, and 1 small potato cut into dices. You can also add some green beans if you prefer. It's been about 25 minutes since rice is soaking in water. Let's strain it out. Today I'm not using my instant pot to cook rice. I am using a non-stick pot. But if you want to check out my Instant Pot recipes, you can find the link in the description box or check out the suggested link on top right corner. Put the flame on medium and into the pot, add 1 teaspoon of oil. As soon as the oil heats up a little, add soaked rice. I'm gonna roast rice for about 2 minutes. Soaked rice tend to break very easily, so lightly stir when you roast the rice grains. After 2 minutes, add 1.5 cups of water. Now this is the ratio of rice and water. 1 cup of rice with 1.5 cups of water. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Stir and let this come to a boil. When the water starts boiling, cover it with the lid and put the flame on low. Let it cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes or till the rice gets cooked. But do stir it occasionally. On the other side, let's start roasting dry fruits. In a non-stick pot or pan, put the flame on low. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. Add in all dry fruits. Now roast dry fruits till they are nice light golden brown color. It took about 5 minutes for me, but the time may vary for you. Dry fruits have started to turn golden brown, so let me take it out in a bowl. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe and do hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos I post. And don't forget to hit the like button. Now in the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. And now I'm gonna cook veggies, starting with potatoes. Let's cook it till it gets halfway cooked. While the potatoes are cooking, let's check on the rice. Rice is nicely done. I'm not gonna stir because I do not want rice to get all mushy. I will leave this pot open for a few minutes. Potatoes have started to turn light golden brown in color, and they are halfway cooked. At this point, add in carrots and peas. I'll give it a stir and cook it for a few more minutes until they are done. As this has started to turn golden brown in color and they are cooked thoroughly, Take them out in a separate bowl. And in the same pan, again add 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. And now I'm gonna add in cauliflower and broccoli. They both don't take that much time and cooks really fast. It actually took me less than 4 minutes to get some nice golden brown spots on these. Take it out in the same bowl with the other veggies. I have rice cooked, roasted dry fruits, and cooked veggies. Now it's time to make pilaf. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. Let the ghee heat up a little and then add cumin seeds and all other dry spices. Mix it so they get coated with ghee and roast it for about 30 seconds. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so and do hit that like button down below. Add in all veggies. Just give it a light stir. Spread them in the pan. And now add in cooked rice. Lightly mix rice and veggies. And just add in a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. And me being silly, I forgot to add ginger and garlic when I was roasting all dry spices. But no worries. On a medium flame, in a pot, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just add about half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Turn off the flame and add this in pilaf. Give it a nice mix. Now throw in all the roasted dry fruits on top of pilaf. Let me cover it with the lid and let it simmer on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check pilaf after 5 minutes. Give this a light stir. The smell of roasted dry fruits and spices and garlic is just amazing. Turn off the flame. Vegetable pilaf is ready. You can serve this vegetable pilaf with raita or kadhi. Or you can also serve it with some plain yogurt. I hope you try out this recipe and do tag and follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos I post every week and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.